What's up, guys? We're gonna walk up this overlook and we're gonna take the stairs. See ya up there. We're not up yet. This is just a couple stairs up, but I just wanted to show you the view. I guess they're having a Zumba class down there. I'm not sure. This is Summit Park. You got a fishing pond down there where people are fishing. That's pretty cool. Have to give that a try one day. But we're heading up down there. And yes, I was taking the stairs, but the elevator is out of service anyways. And we're going up. Let's get to this top. Still not at the top. I just wanted to show you the next view it's given me. Pretty awesome. We still got to go almost there. I was skipping every 2 stairs stepwise. I feel it in my legs. This is how high we are right now. My bad. This is the top. Apparently you can't get to the roof access, it's blocked off. But here's the view, guys. Got the pond below us. Summit Park. What's up, guys? We're gonna hike this trail and get to a couple smaller waterfalls, so let me take you with us. I can hear one in the distance over there, so I'll see when I get there. Guys, check this out. Amazing waterfall. We're gonna hike to it and get you a closer view. And then we got another one on this side as well. It's a lot smaller, but we can get you a closer view from down there on our way back as well. So let's get up closer to that for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the adventures, and there'll be more to come. Alright guys, we're pulling up on the first waterfall of today. You can hear it. That's amazing. We're gonna go see if we can find more for y'all, but I hope you guys enjoy this. Here's the second waterfall for you guys, off to the side of the trail. There's the trail that we're taking, and the waterfall's right down there, off to the side. And we got a bunch of those on the way on this trail, and this is the way we'll be going. Let's see what else we can get into around here. Coming across some rapids and stuff. Check that out, these trees. Just the way they grow like that and how they're just staying in there. That's crazy. Got a little bit of a drop off there, so if I fall down there I'm getting hurt for sure. But that's cool. We came from that way. We're out here. Let's continue on. Coming on an overpass here. See what we see below here. next waterfall for you guys. We're coming up here on the dam and crossing over into a big lake on the other side. Let's work our way over there. Alright guys, we're walking down the steps. Get a little closer view at the dam over here. Swing around over here. I came from up there. We're on the lake side now. And we're heading over to the floating bridge over there. Oh, we got a tree in our way. We gotta scale the tree. We came across all these turtles on the, look, there's a baby turtle right there. Right in the middle there, a baby turtle. Another baby turtle. The big giant turtle. And a big giant turtle. Let's get a closer view here. Let me zoom out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 turtles. There's a really, really tiny one right there.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool. We're trying to sunbathe over there on that log. That looks like a, that baby one looks like a snapper. Because I see the little jaggedy edges on it. That's cool. This should be the last waterfall of the day. If you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.